Hi friends, it's Donzella from Ms Donzella Cooks, and today I'm going to be making a simple turkey smash burger. So I have my ground turkey, I have some onions, diced onions in there, and I'm going to add some onion powder. And this is a low sodium, so I'm not adding any additional salt. Some onion powder. I have some Mrs. Dash chicken grilling seasoning, and I'm not sponsored by Mrs. Dash. I just love their products because I'm on a low sodium diet and there is no salt. I'm going to add some garlic powder, and I'm going to add just about a quarter teaspoon of some complete seasoning. And I'm also going to add some of this Worcestershire sauce, maybe about half teaspoon. Then we're going to mix this all together. I have a whole wheat tortilla that I'm going to be using for my smash burger. And I have some olive oil in my skillet, which will be putting that in the olive oil. Cooking it in the olive oil. Okay. And just mix our patty. Just make a simple hamburger patty or turkey burger patty. You can use ground beef. I'm using lean ground turkey. Get it all mixed in there like so. And we'll just make this into one patty. Spin my tortilla over here. And I press mine out like this before I put it onto the tortilla. Make it as flat as I can. Might need it a little bit bigger, but we'll see how this goes. Okay, place that on there like so. Press it into your tortilla. I remove my gloves. And I'm going to take this tortilla and I'm going to put it in my pan. And I'm going to press. And then after my burger is done, I will be adding, I have some shredded cheese. It's a little sharp cheese and some lettuce and some tomato that I'll be putting on top with a little sour cream. And you just cook your burger until it's done. Then I will probably flip mine over because I want to brown my tortilla a little bit. And that is a whole wheat tortilla. If you're not on a low sodium diet, you can use regular tortillas. Um, Ground beef, but again, I'm using ground turkey, lean ground turkey, whole wheat tortilla. My favorite seasonings, you use the seasonings that you like, and then you just brown your patty on the stove. You want it a little thin because you want it to cook through. See how we're looking here. And again, I've turned it over. And you see my tortillas cooking on that side. Turn it once again. I'll make sure my patty is done. Let's turn it back over. All right. And your tortilla will bubble up when it hits the heat. It's perfectly fine. So I'll make sure my burger is done. It's no longer pink in the middle. So I think I want to make mine just a little bit longer. I like my burgers well done. So this is okay. That didn't go over so well. There we go. I think that is done enough, friends. So I'm going to remove this from my skillet and add it to my plate like so. Turn that off. Okay, friends, and this is my whole wheat tortilla smash burger. Now to this, I am going to add my cheese. I'm going to add some lettuce. My tomato. And I'm going to add just a little sour cream. And friends, this is our whole wheat turkey smash burger. You can fold this over, eat it like a traditional taco, like so. Let's cut it. So cut that a little bit more. And there we are, friends. Here is our turkey, whole wheat turkey smash burger. Easy, delicious, and low sodium. And friends, if you like recipes like this, I'd love for you to join me in my kitchen at Ms Donzella Cooks, my YouTube channel. And we can learn to cook these low sodium meals together. And I'm going to take a bite of mine just to see what it tastes like. Friends, this is absolutely delicious. You have to make one. And until the next video, friends, thank you for stopping by, joining me in my kitchen. I appreciate all my subscribers. And anyone who is not subscribed, please join us. And if you like these videos, give it a like and subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, Ms Donzella Cooks. And friends, have a blessed day. And again, thank you for joining me in my kitchen. I really appreciate it.